How to fix Messenger floating video call not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your floating video call not working in your device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Play Store first. At the top search bar, type in Messenger. Make sure that you see Open instead of Update, and if it says Update, then update your app. Now let's head over to your Settings application, and at this page, scroll below to Apps. Here, search for Messenger. At this page, scroll below and tap on Appear on top. Make sure that is toggled on to allow permission. Now go back and tap on Picture in Picture. Also make sure you allow permission for Messenger to appear picture in picture. Just like so, this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.